Have you ever wanted your Google Slides to feel more dynamic, like they're pulling your audience right into the key points? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a clean zoom in animation to any slide in Google Slides, the updated 2025 method, and you'll be able to use it right away. Start by opening Google Slides in your browser. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account so all the animation tools are available. From the home page, you can open an existing presentation or create a brand new one by choosing the blank presentation option. Once your slide deck is open, you're ready to add the effect. Click on the object you want to animate. This could be text, an image, or any element on the slide. Selecting it first ensures the animation applies to the right item. Now, go to the top menu and click Insert. From the drop-down, choose Animation. This opens the animation panel on the right side of your screen. In the list of animation effects, look for Zoom In. Click it to apply the effect to your selected object. As soon as it's applied, you'll see options to control how it behaves. You can adjust the speed, timing, and decide whether the animation starts on click or automatically as the slide appears. Try out a quick preview to make sure it feels natural and draws attention exactly where you want it. If you want to animate multiple elements, just select each one and repeat the process. You can mix timings and triggers to create a smooth sequence that guides your viewer's eye across the slide. Once you've customized the settings, you've officially added a zoom in animation to your presentation. It's a simple touch, but it instantly makes your slides feel more professional and engaging. If you found this helpful and want more quick upgrades like this, stick around for upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy making your presentation stand out with style.